Welcome to another episode of Performance Tooling Secrets. I'm Mitch Bear, CEO of PT Solutions, and today we're going to talk about one of the most common machining processes, drilling and spotting techniques. Getting this right is critical because, as I always say, drilling success equals tapping, reaming, and even boring success. Let's start with the center drill, or combined drill countersink. It's probably one of the most misused tools in the shop. Here's what you need to know. It has an included angle, usually 60, 82, or 90 degrees, a body diameter, and a pilot diameter. Its job is to create an angled contact area and a clearance pocket so that a live or dead center can support a workpiece. When used correctly, it's a great tool. But using it the wrong way can cause some serious headaches. Now let's talk about carbide drills. These are fantastic tools, but they can easily be damaged. They're designed to cut from the tip outward along the point angle. But here's the problem. If you use a center drill to create a spot for a carbide drill, the initial contact happens at the fragile corners of the carbide drill. That's where things go wrong. Those corners can chip, and you'll start seeing issues like notching, poor hole finish, or crooked holes. As a wise man once told me, center drills do not center drills. So how do you avoid damaging your carbide drills? The answer is simple. Know the drill point angle of your carbide drill. Use a spot drill with a point angle greater than the drill's angle, or don't spot drill at all. As long as you're using a drill with a self-centering point and the drill is 5 times D or less, you don't need to spot. I know a 90-degree spot drill can leave a nice chamfered hole after you drill, but you're better off chamfering the hole after you drill the hole. Now let's talk about drilling accuracy. Drills don't just cut undersides. They can spiral, which can throw off your precision. Tools like an on-size gauge pin or small hole gauges are great for checking your work. If you start with the right process, you'll save yourself a lot of frustration later on, especially when it comes to tapping, reaming, or boring, or other applications in the same hole. Here's the bottom line. Drilling success sets the stage for everything else you're going to do with that hole. If you want your tapping, reaming, boring, threading, or even rotary broaching to go smoothly, you got to get the drilling right. It's all connected. So there you have it. Proper spotting and drilling techniques can make or break your machining process. If you want more tips like these, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow as we continue sharing more performance tooling secrets to help you be more efficient, more profitable, and take your skills to the next level. Thanks for watching.